Hi guys, welcome to English in Easy Mode. If you are learning English, then this video is for you. I will speak slowly and clearly in English while we manage a pizza restaurant together. All you have to do is watch, listen, and enjoy. Now let's get started because we have a lot to do today. I'm in my office right now, and I just went online on my computer and ordered some new ingredients. I did unlock some new ingredients, which one of them is corn. And I'm gonna be honest, corn is a little bit of a strange topping to put on pizza. It's not something you see a lot. Maybe we should put it in a tray, and then it will be easier for later. Does that work? Oh, it's only half full. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna buy more corn since the one can that I bought, it only filled up my tray halfway, and I don't want to run out in the middle of the day if customers order too much of it. So we will dump this into the tray, and now the corn is ready. So we will put the corn with the other ingredients that are ready. And let's go get the other items that I ordered. So I bought flour and oil. That's what we use to make the dough. I bought sauce powder, which I use to make my tomato sauce. And then I bought some more carbon fizz. That's the red soda. And I also got a new soda that I unlocked called Lime Volt, which I guess is maybe like a Sprite or a 7-Up. So let's put the sauce powder into the big pots here. And next we're gonna chop some tomatoes to finish making the sauce. All right, so I chopped 4 tomatoes. 4 more tomatoes. All right, now we can turn on the heat, turn on the fire, and get this sauce going. And now I'll cut some tomatoes for the other pot of sauce. All right, these tomatoes are chopped. Put them in the pot. And now we start cooking the sauce. Next, we can make the dough. So first I'll pour the oil into the bowls. Now we need the flour. All right, and now we can start the dough mixers to mix the flour and the oil and make dough. And let's see, we can unwrap the soda and we can put it under here. So now those are ready. And now I'll go get the other sodas. We'll unwrap it. And then I will bring it over here and put it in this cooler. Okay. All right, sodas are good. We have a little bit more work to do getting the ingredients ready. I'm gonna finish grating the cheese. This is the cheese grater for grating cheese. You could also say shredding the cheese. Shredded cheese, grated cheese, they both work. They both mean the same thing. All right, we have 2 more ingredients we need to take care of. First is tomatoes. So I'm gonna chop as many tomatoes as I can fit in my tray. All right, I think that's good for now. And the last thing is another new ingredient, which is green peppers. So I already chopped some of them, but let's finish. Let's fill up the tray. And then I think we will be ready to open. All right. Let's put this here. I also discovered something very interesting recently. I have a ladle. See this ladle I use to scoop the sauce and put it on the pizza. And I have spent this entire time just carrying the pot of sauce over here, putting it on the pizza. Then I put it back here. I didn't realize until very recently that I have this ladle. But live and learn, you know? That's a saying in English, live and learn. So now we can open. And, oh, I need my dough. All right, our first customer of the day. Welcome to the pizza store, ma'am. I will have your pizza out for you in just a few moments. Okay, so she wants a medium. So I made it small. Now I'll press it more and it's medium. Now we can use the ladle. It's much easier to use the ladle to scoop the sauce instead of having to carry the pot every time. What else does she want? She wants peppers. She wants some tomatoes and pepperoni. And we can put it in the oven. And while it's cooking, I will get her tray and her soda. She wants a carbon fizz. Let's get another tray ready for the next customer. All right, the pizza is done. And she is sitting at table 16 outside. Here you go. First pizza of the day. I hope you enjoy it. We have a new customer. Hello, sir. I'll have your small pizza done in just a few minutes. Okay. So we will use the ladle, scoop the sauce. We'll spread the sauce on the pizza. What else does he want? He wants mushrooms. And he wants corn. Our first customer who wants corn on his pizza. I have never had corn on pizza. At least I don't remember that ever happening. What do you guys think? Is corn a good pizza topping? Would you have corn on your pizza? Let me know. Alright, his pizza's done. I can't say that it looks very good to me, but maybe he just loves corn. Okay, table 12. Here you go, enjoy your corn pizza. Whatever the customer wants, I will make them. Okay. Next guy wants a medium. And he wants sauce, of course. And tomatoes, pepperoni, and cheese. This is a little bit more of a traditional pizza. Alright, he also wanted to try our new soda, the Lime Volt. So we'll put one of those on his tray. And now his pizza is ready. I can take it to him at table 4. Oh, he's right here. Have a great day. No customers, so I can collect some of the money while I'm waiting. I'll also empty the tray. Oh, hello, sir. Wait. Ma'am, sorry. Ma'am. I will have your pizza in just a second. Alright, she wants a medium with almost everything? Let's see. She's not everything. What is she? Oh, she doesn't want cheese. Okay. She wants every ingredient except no cheese. Including corn. So now we've had 2 customers that like the corn. Alright, we'll get her carbon fizz soda ready. She's going to be at table 11. When the pizza is done, I will take it to her at table 11. Here you go. Enjoy your pizza with no cheese. And this person wants a large. I need more dough. Alright, I'm going to run out of dough. So before that happens, I will make a little bit more. Alright, we'll turn on the mixer. And then we'll take this dough, which is ready. And she wants a large. Okay. A large with some sauce. And what else? Cheese and pepper. Alright, a nice simple pizza. Cheese and peppers, and that's it. And she wants a soda. I forget what it's called. Oh, Citrus Blast. That's right. She wants a Citrus Blast soda. And her pizza is ready. Oh, I'll take your order. 1 second. I just have to deliver this fresh pizza to the customer. And then you are next. There you go. Have a great day. Okay, what does the next customer want? The next customer wants a small with sauce and pepperoni and corn. The corn is actually kind of popular. Oh well, maybe it's not for me, but if it makes money, that's fine. And she actually wants extra pepperoni. Okay. And to drink, she wants the citrus blast also. And her pizza is just about ready. All right. Table 9. All right, I'll take your order, and I will start on it as soon as I deliver this to table 9. Here you go. Enjoy. So far, we're doing good. I don't want to give myself any bad luck, but so far, everything has been exactly right. I haven't gotten any orders wrong. Okay, this one is empty. This pot is empty. So now we will bring the other pot. Come on. Okay. Alright, sauce. Alright, she wants peppers, corn, tomatoes, cheese, and extra cheese. Alright. Get a tray ready. Put the carbon fizz on the tray. Take your order, sir. 1 moment. I'll get your tray ready also. And this pizza is done. Table 2. Okay. Here you go. Enjoy. She likes it. Okay. So far, so good. Next, he wants a small with some sauce. And what else? Mushrooms, tomatoes, cheese, green peppers, pepperoni, no corn for this guy. Extra mushrooms, though. That's a good choice. Alright, get this one into the oven. Get his soda ready. Ma'am, I will take your order. Thank you. I will have it very shortly. Alright, this pizza's done. We can take it to table number 8. Here you go. Have an excellent meal. I hope you enjoy. And no more customers. I think we just have one more pizza to make. I've learned that it seems like there's always 9 customers every day. This is a large. Oh no, we got a new... I don't think I've ever had 10 customers. I'm very excited. And he wants everything on his pizza, too. Alright, what was I doing? Yes. Tomatoes. Cheese. Corn. Mushrooms. Some pepperoni. Extra tomatoes. Put that one into the oven. To drink, he wants a citrus blast. And his pizza is ready. Table 1. Coming right up. There you go. Have a great day. And our next pizza is a medium with everything. So we start with the sauce, as always. And now we'll give him everything. Corn. Peppers. Tomatoes. Mushrooms. Pepperoni. Cheese. Yep, that's right. Put it in the oven. Get the tray ready. Grab his carbon fizz. How's the pizza doing? The pizza is almost done. And it's done. Okay. He is sitting at table 6 inside. Here you go, sir. I hope you enjoy. What else can we do? I guess we can collect the money and start cleaning the trays. We'll start with the outside. Okay. Money, very important. Empty the tray. All right. Ooh, more money. Stack the tray. All right. All right, we can empty this one in the other trash can. And now we will empty this one, stack it on top of the other trays. We had a lot of customers today. All right, take the money, take the tray, empty the tray, stack the tray. I think there's two more. All right, I think this is the last one, and then we can close up. We had a successful day. We didn't make any mistakes. All the customers were happy. And apparently they like our new ingredient, corn. And they also like our new ingredient, the green peppers. So I guess I will close down the restaurant for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I hope you learned some new vocabulary. And I will see you all in the next one.